Hello and welcome to It's Tomorrow News. I am R. Sriram. Travel chaos continues after strong winds leave thousands without power in Australia. Heavy rain, flash flooding and 125 km per hour winds from a destructive bomb cyclone continue to create havoc on Australia's east coast, leaving thousands without power, roads closed and Sydney under flood warnings. Ausgrid, the largest electricity distributor in Australia, says power has been restored to 30,000 customers, but about 9,100 homes and businesses remain in the dark this morning. Major roads are still closed and ferry and train services continue to face delays and suspensions. Some suburbs received up to 130 millimeters of rain throughout the night, and severe weather warnings are in place from as far north as Coffs Harbour to the south coast. The New South Wales Emergency Service has issued flood warnings for parts of Greater Sydney, with advice level alerts now active for Camden, Penrith and North Richmond. Areas near the Victorian border could also be impacted today, as the intense low coastal south with damaging conditions was expected to persist through Wednesday. Several domestic flights from Sydney Airport, including from operators like Qantas and Virgin Airlines, were cancelled. Since July 1st and continuing today, a rare bomb cyclone, a rapidly intensifying low-pressure system, has battered New South Wales, unleashing up to 250 mm of rainfall and winds with speeds of 125 km per hour. The deluge downed trees cut power to over 35,000 homes, sparked more than 2,000 state emergency service rescue calls and forced evacuations in vulnerable coastal zones. The powerful storm disrupted air travel at Sydney Airport, grounded ferry services and halted train operations, derailing daily commutes and triggering economic ripple effects. Both the Bureau of Meteorology and Emergency Services Minister Jihad Dib emphasized the storm's enormous scale, reinforcing public warnings to remain indoors and steer clear of floodwaters. As authorities shift into recovery mode, long-term coastal resilience is becoming a central concern. Scientific assessments indicate that repeated exposure to intense east coast lows, often called bomb cyclones, is likely to increase with warming oceans. The New South Wales government is now examining fortifications to seaside infrastructure, improved drainage network and strategic coastal revegetation to limit erosion. Insurance providers are also updating risk models to account for more frequent coastal storm events. Meanwhile, local communities are planning a renewal of early warning systems, including upgraded sirens, community shelter maps and flood evacuation drills. Though the immediate threat may subside later this week, emergency responders caution that cleanup, rebuilding and broader adaptation will be long-term endeavours. That's all for now. For more weather news updates, stay tuned with us on It's Tomorrow News. For more global weather updates like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates. Thank you.